Good morning from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And today I am going to talk about campaign 26. So that means we are super close to having Christmas. This one, and then campaign 1 has to go in early, and it'll just get back in time for Christmas. And then it's Christmas. That's how close. And remember, I have my Avon open house Christmas store I set up every year. It's going to start on December 8th from 9 to 4. And then if you're not able to make it those days, make sure you call me. And if I'm home, it's open. So thanks much. Today is Black Friday, so I don't know how many of you will see this right away, but Avon does have a Black Friday specials. If you go to my e-store or any of your reps e-stores and use the code Avon Black, capital letters, all one word, if you have a $20 order, you can get free shipping. And what's kind of nice is if you're ordering presents, you can change the ship to address and add a gift message, and your order is on its way and you don't have to pay any extra shipping. So that means you can get a little bit more to gift for them. If your order is $45 or more, you get 20% off and free shipping. And if it's $65 after the 20% off, you get free shipping and a bundle of products that are valued at $40, and it's called the Holiday On The Go set. You get that for free. So do check out my e-store. It's on you can do the shop now on mine, or you can go to your actual Avon Reps store. Okay, we'll start up some fun things. Jewelry. We have a lot of fun jewelry that's been inspired by our Avon representatives themselves. And this necklace here is one of those items, $16.99 introductory. And then I have on the green bracelet. It's kind of like a teardrop shape. And what's kind of nice about it is, depending on what your wrist size is, it has extenders in it so that you can make it to fit you. And then we also have statement earrings. And there's also a necklace and earring set and a ring that you can get to match it. And these are an actual with a hoop that goes in with a little peg on the back to hold them in. But I just think they're gorgeous. And of course, our Believe sweater that I have on. This is sequins and embroidery for the Believe. And I like the V is antler horns. We have a lot of deer in our area, and they have been very active lately. A lot of big bucks coming through my yard even. Hope you each had a great Thanksgiving. I did. I was blessed. Both my kids had the day off, and so I got to spend time with them, as well as my hubby, and we just had a wonderful, just nice meal and had some time together. So hopefully each of you did too. Our fun new holiday berry kiss and the ginger cappuccino and the citrus bouquet, those lines are still in there. So if you're wanting to get some fun holiday smells, same with the cranberry cinnamon, we have those lines, and they're like buy one get one. And then we have the kids line. Don't forget that. This is the foaming body wash. It's wonderful. But all the kids stuff is on sale for $5.99 each. And then of course our fun trees that are actual shower gels, but great decoration too. We have them in the 3 different colors. And remember, every time you order, you have a $40 order, you can get the A box that's on the back. And this is the one that's this time. Look, it has candy canes on the box lid. And you get a haiku spray, a lipstick, mascara, and eyeliner, all for $10. And those of you that like Vitamoist, this is the campaign to get it. They're on sale $1.49. And remember, Vitamoist is only around during Christmas. So if you're wanting Vitamoist, do stock up on it now, $1.49. And then we have kids line, I told you, is that on the front of the catalog this time. We have, and I just struck one, dinosaurs and unicorns. And there's all kinds of things in there. These are some fun little leather pouches. And then we also have the lip balms and towels and just all kinds of things at the beginning of this catalog. So do take time to check it out. And also for kids, get them started on the right thing of getting them on vitamins. We have the most awesome vitamins. I myself take our vitamins. So $10 for 30 chewables. And another fun thing that's kind of, I think, be great for a mom and daughter gift is our mistletoe tins. And they have the little lipsticks in there, 60 of them for $25 for the whole thing. And I think that's kind of a cool thing. And you know me and skincare. We have an awesome sale right now on skincare. In the new line, mix and match all kinds of different things. This is the Target treatment for with retinol for lines, and I use it. I use it on my upper lip and on my forehead, they're two of them for $40. They're normally $40 a piece. So great sale on that. Christmas ornaments, you can still get those. This is a swan. There you go. A swan. Yeah. And we also have candles and all kinds of Christmas candles. And our little Nordic snowman, or not snowman, Santas. And this one has the present. We also have one that has a tree and has the lights on it, and a candy cane one. They're $14.99. So I think they're kind of fun. I notice this lights up here. And this, I think, is so cool in that, look at this set, makeup. It all comes in there, and these slide in, and so they just kind of go up to twin. But it has that mirror on there too, and it has nice. It comes even in a cool box, so you don't even have to really wrap it if you don't want. $14.99. And then we have some fun little flyers, and they are also on my e-store and your reps e-stores. But they have some great deals. The footwork stuff is you get all you get the deep moisture cream, the intensive moisture cream, and the cracked heel cream. All three for $6.99. Yeah, this flyers everything under under $10. And then the eye makeup remover, my favorite one. And then you get 3 waterproof glimmer sticks: the Black Night, the Brown Chocolate, and the Midnight Blue. All 4 things for $9. So I just think that's cool. But there's all kinds of other things in this as well. And we also have an outlet that is packed full. It's like over 300 last minute gifts in there. So with some really cool things. And then we also have another little flyer, Christmas flyer in here. But make sure that you notice in here is we have a lot of mark items that they are going to phase out. So if you're like me and love mark stuff, that was the time to look up get those. Hi Vanessa, thanks for joining. I am really enjoying that. And then also, this is a really cool thing. If you, since you're already checking out our e-stores, mine or any other reps, at the top right-hand corner, there's a spot where you can refer a friend. I don't know if you can see this. But if you refer a friend, you can refer them on Facebook. You can send them a message, or you can share the link. And what's kind of cool is by you referring them, you get 10% off your next order, and they get free shipping. So a great way to share the love of Avon with other people. And remember, we can always back order 2 brochures. So 24 and 25 are good. And also, I always do gift certificates. And so if you don't know what to give somebody, I do have gift certificates available. And I have been wearing these fun little socks because I'm tall, and I have a hard time finding they're glittery. And I have a hard time finding pants that are long enough. Guess what? These just kind of make it look fun. And you get the 3 pairs. You get the black, the silver, and a blue. And the blue is kind of a fun blue, and it kind of works great with jeans. And I wear jeans a lot this time of the year. So thanks much. Hope you have a great day, and enjoy and be blessed. Faye Swenson, Avon Independent Sales Rep and Master Recruiter. Have a great one.